In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out on Homebase. Navigating through financial necessities can sometimes be a little daunting, but don't worry, I've got you covered. This step-by-step guide is all about making the most of the cash out feature on Homebase, a brilliant tool for managing your finances more efficiently. To begin, it's essential to understand the prerequisite, clocking out. Before you can utilize the cash out feature, you need to first ensure that you have clocked out of your shift. This is a crucial step because Homebase requires you to be officially off the clock before accessing the cash out option. The system integrates your clock out data with your earnings, so make sure you've properly completed this step. For those who might be new to Homebase or need a refresher, simply navigate to your Homebase app and clock out as you normally would. Once you have confirmed that you're officially clocked out, you're ready to move on to the next part. Now, let's dive into choosing the amount you wish to cash out. Homebase offers a flexible option to cash out up to 50% of your current earned wages. However, it's important to note that there's a cap at $600. So even if 50% of your earnings exceeds this amount, you will only be able to access up to $600. For instance, if your current earned wages are $200, you can cash out up to the maximum of $600. Conversely, if your earned wages are $800, you'll be able to access up to $400, which is 50% of your earnings in this case. This flexibility can be particularly handy if you face unexpected expenses and need some immediate funds. To access the cash out feature, navigate to the designated section within your Homebase app. You'll find an intuitive interface that prompts you to select the amount you wish to cash out. A top tip here is to carefully assess your financial needs and how much of your earnings you can comfortably cash out without affecting your regular budget. It's always wise to keep your financial goals in mind when deciding on the amount. Once you have chosen your desired amount, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Homebase will confirm your selection, and before you know it, the cashed-out amount will be on its way to your designated account. Remember, the processing times can vary, so allow for a little time for the funds to be deposited. By understanding how to efficiently use the cash-out feature on Homebase, you find yourself better equipped to handle financial situations as they arise. This feature not only provides flexibility, but also gives you more control over your finances. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.